This month, Devine flew to Amsterdam for GS Nation, an event focusing exclusively on JavaScript development. Devine was invited to perform with ORCA, that also runs on JavaScript.
So beautiful. Yeah, absolutely. You can buy
wanders around and bounces.
Yeah, I don't know how he does that. It's just so beautiful. So it's traveling on the M, and
and it changes them. It changes somehow the letters while it is bouncing.
Yeah.
Whatever that means.
While in town, Devine met up with our friend Rami. One night, kept awake by a thunderstorm, both worked on a small vignette game for the meditation series. In the game, lightning streaks the night sky, and you can photograph it.
Worth it. Yeah.
Devine returns to Japan just in time for the start of the rainy season, or tsuyu, which means literally plum rain, because it coincides with the plums ripening. It's a good time to spend indoors on projects. The first being the Pi-hole project. And a big portion of internet traffic is attributed to ads. In an attempt to limit the waste of bandwidth and power, we've installed the Pi-hole, a Raspberry Pi hardware ad blocker. It filters hundreds of ad requests per day. It's shocking to see the number increase every hour. To find out how to make it, look for a tutorial link in the description below. Working with ORCA and Raspberry Pis has inspired Devine to look into hardware projects, to start creating tools on the open source sound computer NORNS from Monome. Devine has been in research mode, creating games, as well as writing an extensive tutorial to help onboarding new developers onto the platform. In the future, Devine hopes to use the Norns for live events, for music experiments. Again, as part of research, Devine is diving back into decentralized social tools, in the vein of Rotonde. As for me, I've been hard at work on a comic project, with the temporary name Circa. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while, but I finally have the time and focus to start it. I'm in the early phases of production, working on the storyboard. Clip Studio is ideal for this type of project. The comic tools are great. It's easy to use and it helps to keep everything organized. More information on this project soon. If you want to find out more about it, you can check out my website. There's a link in the description below. And between bouts of rain, we do outings, like biking up a 330-meter mountain to Ise. We underestimated the height of this mountain. It's not easy on a single-speed bike. We left our mark at the top. 100 Rabbits was here. This lonely and windy forest road leads to the Ise Grand Shrine, 30 kilometers from the marina. Before entering the shrine area, you must stop at the Temizusha to rinse your hands and mouth, a symbolic act of cleaning the mind and body of impurities. This shrine complex is the largest in Japan, but many of their buildings can't be filmed or photographed. So instead, here are some koi fish. After that, we stopped at a small restaurant for akafuku, mochi with red bean, a famous dessert here in Ise. Most of our days we spend working, doing research, and taking breaks skateboarding. In our last video, we showed you our new penny board. We've been using it a lot around the marina, but also on the beach in Nakatsu Hamaura, a small village. It's a short bike ride away. In front of the seawall is a large paved area, perfect for skating. It offers a great view of the ocean. Next month we'll be going to Tokyo to see some friends and to show you Odaiba, our former home in Japan. As always, thank you for keeping us afloat. Literally. Imagine the sound that it would make during a typhoon.